Hello everyone, myself Pratibha Sonone from Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandal's Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. Today we are going to see about antihypertensive drugs which are from natural origin. In this video, you will be able to understand what is hypertension, what are antihypertensive drugs, and the monograph of antihypertensive drugs. For example, Rauwolfia, which is from the natural source. Now, what is the meaning of hypertension? Hypertension, it is an elevation of blood pressure above normal range. Hypertension is sustained elevation of arterial blood pressure. The pressure which is exerted by the blood on the arteries is called as the arterial blood pressure. This is a result of increased peripheral resistance, and this hypertension leads to cardiovascular and renal complications and increased force of myocardial contraction. Now, what are the antihypertensive drugs? These are the drugs these are the class of drugs that are used to treat hypertension, that is high blood pressure. Antihypertensive therapy seeks to prevent the complications of high blood pressure such as stroke and myocardial infarction. For example, Rauwolfia root, which is from the natural sources. Now we'll see the synonym, biological source and chemical constituent uses of this drug. First, synonym. It is also called as a Sarpagandha, Indian snake root, black snake root and Patalgandhi. Belonging to family Apocynaceae. It is collected in autumn from 3 to 4 years old plant along with the bark. It contains not less than 0.14% of alkaloids calculated as a reserpine. Rauwolfia refers to the name of scientist Dr. Rauwolf, and Serpentina refers to the snake-like structure of root. Geographically, it is found in or produced in India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, America and Africa. Here you can see the Sarpagandha plant in first picture. In second one you can see the twigs and roots of the plant, and in third picture you can see the fresh roots which are obtained from the plant. Now we'll see the cultivation and collection of this drug. Under wide range of climatic conditions, Rauwolfia grows luxuriantly. However, it flourishes in hot humid conditions and grows satisfactorily in shades. For cultivation, clay loamy soil with large amount of humus and good drainage are supposed to be ideal. The pH of the soil should be acidic and around 4. The temperature range for cultivation is 10 degree to 38 degrees Celsius. Rainfall should be in the range of 250 to 500 centimeters. Soils containing large amount of sand make the plants more susceptible to the disease. It can be propagated by various methods such as by seeds, roots, cutting root stumps, etc. The propagation from seeds is usually the method of choice. The healthy seeds are sown into the nursery beds. The rate of germination of seeds is very slow. Hence, sufficient quantity of the seeds are sown. Sowing is done in the month of May or at the break of monsoon. The seedlings are then transplanted in the month of August at a distance of 16 to 30 centimeters. The plants are provided with various chemical fertilizers and manures. Some chemical fertilizers include ammonium sulfate and urea, while the manures include generally the bone meal. The plants are kept free from weeds. When the plants are about 3 to 4 years old, they are uprooted. The roots are cut properly, washed so as to remove the earthy matter and dried in air. It needs about 5 kg of seeds to produce the seedlings, sufficient to cover the area of 1 hectare after transplantation. The average yield of roots per hectare is 1200 kg. It may vary depending upon the soil and climatic conditions and the age of the plant. Now we'll see the morphological characters of this drug. First, roots. The size of the roots is 10 to 18 cm long, 1 to 3 cm in diameter. Shape is subcylindrical, slightly tapering and tortuous. Fracture is short and irregular. Color is grayish yellow to brown color. Here you can see the Raulfia twig and Raulfia root. Odor of this root is odorless. Taste is bitter. Some extra features are also there for these roots. Roots are rough with longitudinal marking and slightly wrinkled surface. Rootlets are absent in this drug. Chemical constituent. About 30 indole alkaloids have been reported in this drug. The total alkaloid contained in the root ranges from the 0.7 to 3%. Raulfia contains number of alkaloids and they are classified depending on the ring present in the alkaloids. First one is indole alkaloid, second is indoline alkaloids, third one is indolinin alkaloids, oxyindole alkaloids, and fifth one is pseudo-indoxyl alkaloids. Another chemical constituent, the major alkaloids which are present in the drugs are reserpine and resinamide. The main chemical constituent which gives the antihypertensive activity. Other alkaloids are ajmalin, ajmalicin, raulfinin, reserpinin, yohimbinin, serpentine and serpentinine. It also contains oleoresin, phytosterols, fatty acids and alcohol and sugars. Now we'll see the chemical test for the identification of this drug. First test, you have to take a freshly fractured surface of the root. On that you have to put a drop of concentrated HNO3, that is nitric acid. It gives you red coloration along with the medullary rays. Second test, reserpine with vanillin in acetic acid gives you violet red color, which shows the presence of reserpine in the drug. Now what are the uses of this drug? First one, main use is the antihypertensive drug used in hypertension. Second, tranquilizer used in mild anxiety and neuropsychiatric disorders. Third, used in treatment of circulatory disease like obstruction of cellular blood flow. Allied drugs are present for this drug: Raulfia tetraphylla, Raulfia vomitoria, Raulfia densiflora, Raulfia paracanensis and Raulfia micrantha. Now summary of this video. In this class we learnt about the antihypertensive drug known as Raulfia. Raulfia contains alkaloids. The clinically most important alkaloid is reserpine. Wait for a moment and we will solve this quiz for a short period. The clinically important constituents of Raulfia are whether they are alkaloids, glycosides, resins and tannins. The correct answer is alkaloids. Second question, Raulfia belongs to the family. Example, Leguminosae, Rubiaceae, Graminae and Apocynaceae. Correct answer is Apocynaceae. Thank you.